Starting of this project, like when we decided to make this feature, so when we went to the best part, he suggested every single thing, and he had a like perfect plan for all the stuff. And whenever we made suggestions, he would always help and incorporate our ideas into the project. This kitchen is actually our hangout spot in a way. So whenever we feel like making something new, we use the oven, we use the microwave. We tried so many different recipes, we tried so many different things. The placement for the water pot, as you can see, is perfect because it's right next to the sink and right where you need it or if you want to use it. And the chimney as well, it's just perfectly in line with all the other appliances and looks.
May I link to the chimney point? So actually, we were having a lot of issues with the chimney. The duct and the ductless thing, we were thinking what exactly has to be done. And because our hob is at that end, and we didn't want to go with the ductless chimney. So how we actually use so much brains and conceal the piping of the chimney. I mean, only this man could do it because it's not a layman's job to design how the chimney is going to come and the pipe is not going to be seen. He's used a lot of grains, got a specialized rod made from somewhere to get the chimney placed perfectly at that place. It's just amazing. We've had detailed meetings, I would say, regarding how the kitchen is going to look. We used to see the design of the kitchen and every element in 3D, that how a kitchen is going to turn out. We sat down for hours to choose the color, what is going to come out for this kitchen, what color is going to come out for the panels and for the granite that you are going to choose. It has to be in a perfect combination. This design of island that you see is specially designed by Dipesh Bhai. If you see, it's a different shape. It's called a wheeling bowl, and as I personally have not seen it in any other house as of yet. This guy Dipesh and the other guy Tushrab has actually spent in so much time to get our kitchen in this shape, and I'm really grateful that you were a part of this kitchen. Yeah, I'm happy with the structure and all those material. The kitchen itself turned out to be as I liked, big and spacious. The drawers, the way they placed the drawers and the working place is very nice. The kitchen is spacious, and every morning we look forward to meeting everyone meets here in the kitchen. And my husband does cook. He loves to cook also, and he likes to prepare breakfast for all of us. And we have a nice breakfast here all together starting of the morning. So even if we don't meet in the middle of the day or evening, but still in the morning we are always here. I think he's thought about everything, where the fridge is going to be placed, where the sink is going to burn, it doesn't have to clash in the kitchen, where the microwave and oven is going to be set up, which color it has to be, what the light is going to look like. Microwave and oven are very accessible because they are placed at a perfect height for me being a short person in this house. And even all the switchboards, all the height of the cupboards and drawers is placed at beautiful height. Dipesh Bhai has gone into every detailing of how and where each drawer and each built-in appliance is going to be placed. He's beautifully designed a pantry in our house, because apparently it never happened with us, because in the old house we never had one. So this pantry is also actually very, very accessible and an amazing thing, because you can just pull out and go through each bottle that is there, check out, and whatever you need you can just pull out there. He's been there with us in every selection. be it the color combination for the granite. We've got 6, 7, 10 samples that came back to the kitchen, checked out what color is going to look beautiful with the panel color. He's come down to the site, I think, n number of times, give details to plumber, carpenter.
This kitchen by Bellezza Kitchens has amazing European fittings and German hardware with the Italian frame for the Gujarati marka. Bellezza Kitchen makes your real kitchen true.